Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Starbakings. Today's video is on how to make this fondant rainbow and fondant candies. As you can see in the video, these fondant rainbows and candies are very simple. It just takes little steps to achieve this, and of course I am here to show you those steps. Follow me through as I show you how. First and foremost, these are the equipments and the first thing to be needed, which is a parchment paper and of course our fondant, which I have already colored into the colors of rainbow I want. I'm not using a normal rainbow color. As you can see, I just have soft toned fondant colors for my rainbow. Guys, if this is your first time on my channel, please do not leave here without subscribing. I would really appreciate that, and please give this video a thumbs up. I would also appreciate you doing that. So as you can see me, I am just using both my hands to roll this fondant on my table surface, and as I'm rolling them, I am trying to make sure that they are even in all sides. I'm also checking to see if this is how long I want my rainbow to be. As you see, after I roll my fondant on the table, I put it on my parchment paper and make it into the rainbow shape I want. As you can see, one side is shorter than the other, but this is just how I want my rainbow to be. And as you can see, after rolling it, I will have to brush the first fondant with water so as to glue the other fondants together. So this is just the same process I will be doing over and over again. I did it to all my fondant and all the layers of rainbow I want. Guys, this rainbow, as you can see, it has red colors, but these colors are soft toned and pretty. It's for a girl's cake, so anything can be done. In the process, do not forget to add your skewers to make the rainbow stand. You have to add your skewers now or never. As you can see me adding it, I added my water in between the ropes of the rainbow and then gummed them together. It's quite simple, but you have to be accurate when doing this. You don't want your skewers showing at any side of your rainbow, either the front or the back. So make sure you do this well, guys, and then proceed. I also inserted the skewer at the middle of the fondant color. As you can see, it's 3 here and 3 here, so at the middle, make sure it's at the middle and make sure you put it as deep as you can. After that, then I will have to trim my edges to make it straight and beautiful. I just use a knife to do that, as you see me doing. This rainbow is perfect and it's complete. So we're moving next to a fondant candy. It is also the same procedure of making this fondant into long ropes by rolling them with my hands and the table. So after doing that, I also brushed water to glue them together. And then start to roll them into a nice round lollipop candy. You have to be very careful when you do this, because in this process your fondant is very soft, because you have water in there and it's very sticky. So you have to be very careful doing this and do it well. Make sure you do it well. After doing that, you have to insert your skewer also, because you want this standing on the cake or anywhere. If you want it standing, then you have to insert your skewers, just as I did here. I proceeded to the next candy, and then as you can see, it's just the same procedure, but I just want to show you guys to be very sure. As you can see, it is just the same procedure, and I am also making sure my skewer doesn't show at any of the sides, either the front or the back of the fondant. After doing all this, guys, this is not the end of the work. You have to let this dry for at least 2 days. I say 2 days because this is a fresh fondant and there is no corn flour in there. So when you have corn flour added to the fondant, then you can let it rest for at least a day. But if there's no corn flour, then guys, it has to rest for at least 2 days. So it dries and hardens completely. That way you enjoy using this stuff. If it's not hard, it's gonna break. as you can see, this is the end result. Even though I didn't show you how to do these little candies by the side, I bet you would know how to do it. Okay, if you don't, I'll show you how sometime soon. Either way, guys, thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.